Hey everyone, welcome to today's video on bipolar mood disorder. You may have heard of this condition before, or maybe you know someone who has it. Bipolar mood disorder is a mental illness that affects how you feel and act. In this video, I'm going to tell you 5 signs that can help you figure out if you or someone you care about has bipolar mood disorder.
The first sign is feeling very high. When you feel high, you may feel like you're on top of the world, or like you're very angry or annoyed. You may talk a lot, have many ideas, or do things that are risky or dangerous. You may also have trouble sleeping, eating, or focusing. This high feeling is called mania or hypomania.
The second sign is feeling very low. When you feel low, you may feel like nothing matters, or like you're worthless or guilty. You may lose interest in things you used to like, have trouble getting out of bed, or think about harming yourself. You may also have trouble sleeping, eating, or focusing. This low feeling is called depression.
The third sign is having mood swings. People with bipolar mood disorder have times of high and low moods that last for days or weeks. These times are different from how you normally feel and act. Sometimes you may feel both high and low at the same time.
The fourth sign is having trouble with daily life. Bipolar mood disorder can make it hard to do things like work, study, or take care of yourself and others. You may have problems with your relationships, money, or health. You may also have trouble dealing with stress or making choices.
The fifth sign is having other mental health issues. People with bipolar mood disorder may also have other mental health problems like anxiety, substance abuse, or psychosis. Anxiety can make you feel nervous or scared. Substance abuse can make you use drugs or alcohol to deal with your mood swings. Psychosis can make you see or hear things that are not there.
These are just some of the signs that can help you figure out if you or someone you care about has bipolar mood disorder. Remember that bipolar mood disorder is not your fault and it can be treated with medication and therapy. If you think you have bipolar mood disorder or know someone who does, please get professional help as soon as possible.
For more information, you can contact us at mindandhealth.innovations@gmail.com. You can also join us in Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, and YouTube. The links are provided in the comments section. This video is brought to you by Mind and Health Innovations MAHI, your friend for mental wellness and support.